guys! For this video, we will color a gingerbread house. A gingerbread house is a decorative, often edible, structure made primarily from gingerbread cookies and royal icing. The tradition has roots in European holiday customs, particularly in Germany, and has since become a festive activity worldwide. It gained popularity thanks to the Brothers Grimm's tale of Hansel and Gretel, which featured a house made of sweets. It is made with gingerbread flavored with ginger, cinnamon, nutmeg, and cloves for the walls and roof, and royal icing made of powdered sugar and egg whites as glue. And for the decorations are candy, gumdrops, peppermint, chocolate, and other sweets adorn the house. We're done. See you in our next video.